2023 solar eclipse. It's the best place in the world to view this. Good morning. It's currently 6:10 on Monday morning and we were meant to go to the beach for sunrise this morning, but Rowan decided he wanted to sleep in, so I've just come out the front and I'm watching the sunrise from our little balcony and it is so pretty. I should get up for the sunrise more often. Just got back home from the beach. It is currently 9:56 and I'm gonna get stuck into work for the day. But yeah, my little to-do list today is create a Mother's Day like colouring page book sort of thing for kids on Etsy, update my Pinterest business account to link to Darby Digital, which is my website that I will hopefully have done in the next like 10 minutes. And I also want to set up an email list, create a blog section on my website and upload monthly freebies on there. And yeah, I basically just need to finalize a bunch of like paragraphs and stuff on my website and we'll be good to go. Currently 3:20 on Tuesday afternoon and we're just waiting for the mattress guys to come and deliver the mattress for the spare bedroom. Today I've just been spending my whole day learning about Pinterest marketing and also creating some freebie wallpapers to like get people to sign up to the email list, if that makes sense. Kind of like a reward for putting your email into my system. I don't really know how to explain that, but today has just been very learning heavy. And I think I'm kind of understanding Pinterest a bit more, which is really exciting because I think Pinterest is where my ideal clients are hanging out. So I really want to get good at Pinterest and just build up my profile on there. Basically like have my Pinterest linked to my Etsy and linked to my website. And I think it's all coming together. I'm so excited. Let me show you the wallpapers. So they're kind of just like quotes on backgrounds, like super easy to do. So I just found some really cute color palettes and just did some kind of like cliche quotes, I guess, but these make, oh, Cosmo's moving, hello. These make for really good wallpapers for designers, for kids at school, like literally just like basic, like anyone can kind of use them. So yeah, I'm just hoping they're gonna be my grab piece, I guess. Like people will see these on Pinterest and be like, oh, I want my wallpaper to look like that. Grab it, put their email in and use the wallpaper. So yeah, that's what I've been working on for the past hour. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the mattress guys to come in and put the mattress in the spare bedroom. At this point in time, I'm feeling a little bit unmotivated with the weekly vlog because I feel like I just don't have anything interesting to say. I know that the weekly vlogs I watch, like those girls could literally talk about anything and I'll listen. But I don't know, I feel like I don't have anything of value to say. And I don't want to feel like I'm wasting your time by watching my videos, but like, nothing's really happening, nothing's going on. I still don't have my car, so I can't go out and do anything. I can't show you anything. Like I'm basically, like I'm making the same meals for lunch every single day. I had roast potatoes today, roast sweet potatoes and roast carrots. And then I basically just sit at my laptop and design and just play with Mo outside every couple of hours. And that's literally my life. So if there's anything you want to see from me, please let me know down in the comments. I'm literally doing nothing of interest. I think my job is quite interesting, but I don't think you want to watch my computer screen for 8 hours a day. Like that's going to be very uninteresting for you. I'm a little bit stuck and unmotivated, so that's why I basically picked the camera up at 3 PM instead of 7 AM like I usually do. But yeah, now I'm just rambling. See, I have nothing to talk about. Here she is in all her glory. Now when Rowan's parents come in to visit, they'll have a nice mattress instead of this foam one to sleep on. Now for this room, we just need to get the sheets, the doona, the pillows, the pillowcases, the doona cover, the lamps, the PowerPoints, all the things. It's weird, some of these rooms only have like one small PowerPoint in like the most awkward corner. So we just have extension cords running around almost every single room. So We need to get that for this, and I think that's about it. We would love a ceiling fan in here, but oh, did I tell you? I don't know if I told you. Rowan installed some fly screens around some of the windows in the house, which is really exciting. We can now have a breeze through the house so it doesn't smell like stale and without air. So we got this window done, and then that window done as well, and so now our guests can have a nice breeze in here. And since there's no ceiling fan, this room was really a priority for that. But yeah, I don't really have much to talk about apart from like DIY stuff, and I feel like that's kind of boring. Morning, it is currently Wednesday and I didn't have the best night's sleep, so I'm really not feeling the best today. So I think I'm just going to get a few hours of work done and just relax for the rest of the day. Got Cosmo here next to me, just having a little sleep, and I'm going to get started on uploading these, the ones that I made yesterday. I've been so obsessed with this song for the last couple of days, but these girls haven't released it on Spotify yet. I think it's coming out on Friday, but I absolutely love it.
If I were a fish and you caught me, you'd say, look at that fish. Why is everybody on the internet so mean? Flopping around and singing my song. I'd say, damn, they're cute and sing along.
Lunch today, I'm having an egg salad wrap with some off-brand lemonade. And we had HelloFresh last night, and the amount of cheese, the amount of cheese that they allocated for 2 people seemed barely enough for one. So I think I overdo it on the cheese a little bit. So I tried not to do that for lunch today, but I love my cheese. What can I say? And my comfort show of choice is New Girl. Wednesday night is our takeaway night because Rowan is usually playing COD, but his mates aren't on yet, so we're watching TV together for dinner. Cosmo is way too close as usual. Today is a very exciting day for Western Australians. The 2023 solar eclipse is happening today, and Exmouth up north is where it will be the best place in the world to view this, which is kind of crazy that we're so close to that. About 6 months ago, we tried to get accommodation in Exmouth, but it was all sold out like 2 years ago, we heard. So a little bit late to the train on that one. So we could have seen it go completely dark for 62 seconds, but I think where we are here, we get about 80% of it, which is still really cool. So at 11:27 today, I believe, the moon will cross over the sun and it will go a little bit dark, which is really cool. So yeah, very exciting today. But yeah, apart from that, I'm just gonna do some designs today. I actually got a new client, which is really fun. They do like mobile cocktail classes in Canberra. So I'm just gonna do some icons and a watermark for them. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna clean heaps because my parents are coming on the weekend, which is really exciting. And Cosmo's growling at me because he's ready to start the day and get playing. So let's go. Would you like to play for a little bit first? We can play. About today, so I will see you at the eclipse probably. How exciting! I want you in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side. So that was honestly a bit of a fail. I thought since it was crossing over at 80% here, it would go like a little bit darker. But I literally just did a time lapse for like 20 minutes, like 10 minutes either side of the actual total eclipse. And it seemed like nothing happened. I was watching the NASA live stream of what it's looking like up at Exmouth. It went completely black and it looked so cool on the live stream. But I thought we'd get at least something here, but no. Rowan actually sent me this photo from work because they did this like DIY thing where they could see the solar eclipse, because I don't think you can see it with the naked eye unless it's like totally covered, if that makes sense. I don't really know. I don't know much about space or anything. I just thought it'd be a cool thing to film, but I couldn't film it. Like a little bit of a fail, but it was still pretty cool, I guess, even though I didn't actually see it in person. I also set up our little doorbell today because the postie can't actually get into our house, and they just take everything automatically to the post office, which is so frustrating. They don't even leave it on the other side of the fence. So we got this little doorbell that we're gonna stick on the mailbox, and it just has a little press. Oh, it just has a little press for delivery. I tried to write it as neat as I could, but I was under pressure because it's gonna be there for a very long time. I think I'm gonna go install that and then have some lunch. I just went and looked in the cupboard and the fridge, cupboard, fridge, until I finally found this pancake mix from Protein World that was really nice the first time I tried it, so I'm gonna have some of these. Yeah, maybe just watch some New Girl with lunch and then get back to designing. And I also need to start cleaning this house. I feel like it's so much pressure when someone else comes to your house. I feel like they're gonna spot all of the dirty things that I haven't spotted yet, so I need to go around and clean. I mean, like, they really don't care. Like, they're just coming because like they want to see our new house and they love us, so yeah. I don't think they would care, but I care, so I really need to get cleaning. We finally got some maple syrup. Oh, that was a little bit much, wasn't it? All right, do they taste better with maple syrup? Yum, so much better with maple syrup. Happy Friday! I forgot to charge my camera last night and it's about to die, but today is going to be a very busy cleaning day. I'm going to wash all the bedding, do all the floors, all the washing, all the everything. So yeah, I'm going to put my camera on charge and I'll talk to you later. Hello! Hello, good morning. No. Hello, good morning. Happy Friday. I've just done the everything shower. I'm about to do a full deep clean of the house, which I'm equally excited and not very excited for. I don't want to do it, but I'm really excited to have like everything just clean and spotless. And yeah, I need to find a way to clean the roof. I don't know how I'm going to do that. We only have one of those mops that kind of looks like a big flop of hair. We don't have like a proper like house mop. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. It's a different location. I don't think I've filmed on the bed before, but my camera is currently on charge because it died overnight and I didn't realize. Yeah, today is just gonna be, oh sorry, that light is really annoying. Today is just gonna be a put your head down, clean everything, get it done sort of day. I'm gonna go because this light is making me look really creepy.
You left me a hungry heart. This love has gone too.
Oh, hello, a bit up close and personal here. I've got 49 minutes left on the washing machine, so I'm going to try and get these designs done for this cocktail business in that time frame, send them off, and then, sorry I knocked you over, and then go hang the washing out and continue with the cleaning. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about these designs. They're meant to be like a Gatsby vibe, but I don't know if I'm vibing it. I don't think I'm vibing it.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart.
So I definitely didn't finish, but I made some progress. I think I'm leaning more towards this one. But like these are my two sort of options, and now I'm just working on their little watermark logo thing for their socials. And if you're a designer, you might be interested. This is like a small little process of how I try and decide what kind of monogram to do. But yeah, it's pretty boring to everyone else. This is my little notebook of work where I just wrote notes and everything about it. But yeah, I'm gonna go do the washing now because it's finished.
You could see me through, though you still deserve better. You stick with me, cause everything I see